If you want to know more about the BPO sector, then you will have to understand the most important word meaning, or I can say it, terminology in BPO sector. If you want to survive in BPO sector, then you need to understand the terminology they used in इंट्रैक्शन दे यूज्ड विद कस्टमर। तो अगर आप अपने आप को और अपने कस्टमर को और यहां तक कि आप जिस बीपीओ सेक्टर में काम करने जा रहे हैं उसको निराश नहीं करना चाहते हो, देन यू नीड टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। सो हेलो गाइस, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल इनफ इन योर लाइफ। सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द मोस्ट डिमांडेड वीडियो, दैट इज 40 must know terminology in BPO sector or in MNC companies. So let's go with mission Parivartan. So let's understand, it is the part 1 of the video. Okay, automatic call distributor, ACD, a system that automatically routes incoming calls to the most appropriate agent based on predefined criteria. Second one is interactive voice response, IVR, an automated telephony system that interacts with callers. Okay, callers through voice and touch tone pad selections. And the other one is average handling time, AHT, the average duration it takes for an agent to handle a customer interaction, including talk time and after call work. Okay, and the other one is first call resolution, FCR, resolving a customer's issue during their initial contact with the call center without the need for follow-up. Service level agreement, SLA, it is a contractual commitment outlining the expected level of service, including response time and resolution targets. Call monitoring, the process of supervising and assessing calls for quality and adherence to established guidelines. Abandoned call, a call that is terminated by the caller before reaching an agent. Upselling, let's understand it. The practice of encouraging. What is the mean of? The practice of encouraging means motivating customer to purchase additional product. Okay, additional product or services during a call. Cross-selling, offering customers related or complementary products or services during a call. Agent adherence, okay, the degree to which call center agents adheres to their schedules and assigned task. Hold time, the time a caller, okay, spends waiting on hold before connecting with an agent. Wrap up time, okay, the time an agent spends completing post call task after interacting with a customer. Quality assurance, QA, the processes and procedures to ensure the quality of customer interaction and services. Agent scripting, providing agents with predefined script to guide them through customer interaction. Okay, it is just like a written communication that you need to communicate with your customer. So it will be written by your company. And the other one is customer relationship manager. Yeah, you are going to make yourself this. Okay, CRM, software and strategies for managing and analyzing customer interaction and data. Scripted response, a predefined response, okay, or set of responses that agents use during customer interaction. ठीक है, ये एक स्क्रिप्ट होती है जो बहुत सारी कंपनी लिख के देती हैं आप लोगों को, स्पेशली कि आपको स्टार्टिंग में किस तरीके से बात करनी है और एंडिंग यानी कि क्लोजिंग किस तरीके से कस्टमर के साथ में करनी है. वो उसको स्क्रिप्टेड रिस्पॉन्स कहते हैं और स्क्रिप्टेड टॉकिंग भी कहते हैं, जो आप कस्टमर के साथ में करते हो. ठीक है. churn rate. Okay, churn rate, a rate at which customer stop using a service or product. Okay, customer satisfaction, CSAT, a metric. It is a metric measuring the level of customer satisfaction with the services or a interaction. Okay, key performance indicator, KPI. It is also a company, I think. Yeah. So quantifiable, okay, I repeat, quantifiable metrics used to assess the performance and effectiveness of a call center operation. Speech analytics, technology that analyzes spoken words to provide insights into customer interaction. Erlang C, or I can say it Erlang C. Okay, ERLANG, Erlang or Erlang C, a mathematical formula used to calculate the number of agents needed to handle a given call volume. Okay, occupancy rate, the percentage of time agents spend actively handling customer interaction. Average wait time, the average amount of time a caller spends, the average amount of time spent waiting before being connected to an agent. Queue, a line of callers waiting to be connected to an available agent. It is called a queue. Sorry, actually it is also called by the other people, but is the exact pronunciation is queue. Okay, pronunciation is queue. So thank you very much for watching our video. We will give you very soon a second part of the more valuable content for you to make you understand everything about the BPO sector. So must subscribe our channel and share our video as much as you can. So thank you very much.